car field carring. Joel's just turning around the car.
Frickin' power steering! Okay, is that good? You reach it?
Yeah.
Okay. We ready?
Mhm.
Let's blow shit up.
We're gonna blow up the airbag.
Is that gonna reach?
Oh yeah.
No. Oh, crap. Is that reach?
Should. Take this.
I got it. Okay, well, we gotta get a close-up of the fridge here. Now, nothing better hit me, eh? Friggin' the door's gonna come right, you know what? Not gonna move. The door's gonna come off the fridge and hit me right in the face.
You think it wouldn't think it would hit me in the face?
You never know. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Here we go.
Holy shit! That friggin' blew the door clean off. Look at the size of that thing.
That's you.
Holy frick. There's nothing left of it. It friggin' went across the car. Oh. Oh, look at there's the seal to the fridge. Oh, it friggin' blew the door. I was just expecting it to whip it wide open. It friggin' blew the whole. Oh,
Holy crap.
we gotta do this more often.
Yeah.